Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-L3735CDN printer driver download and installations. Then, so first open any browser Google search box to type like this and come on this website support.brother.com. This is the first URL. This is an official and download only official driver only from official website. So click on it. Then different windows, Mac, Linux and mobiles also there. So select operating system Windows and Windows 11 and then click. And if you need Windows 10 32-bit 64-bit and server, all servers there, and Windows 10 11 both there. Okay, and 32-bit 64-bit also there. So click to OK. And this is full pack software pack, included software also. Okay, you can see this is size also showing here. Yeah, come on this driver. So printer driver, scanner driver for USB. So click on it. So after that, then agree and download. So then start in the download box, and this is a 41.2 MB. So it's totally depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed, then click on this icon, so it will open these locations where it is downloaded. Then right click to open it. Now this successfully create the extract and create another folder. The name is the JDI. Okay, after that, very important method, click to start and then setting. Now need to add the printer on this. After that, click to Bluetooth device and then add and printer. Then click printer and scanner. Then click add device. So after the click add device, it will show manual options. Wait 5 seconds. Then see add and then click add a new device manually. Then this is share the computer name and okay, and this is IP, and this is a Bluetooth wireless printer, and this is local machine printing manual setting, and then select this. So select this options local and manual setting. Then next, by default it will take the printer by default the port. Then next, now click to have disk and click on browse. Okay, go to where go to this locations where it is extracted and open this folder and select this inf.file and then click to open and then click to OK. Now find out this your printer. Okay, 3732. So this is MFC-L3735CDN series. Then next it, then next. Now this is installing the printer, so it is next and finish it. So now this is successfully installed. Now you can print, but before that need to restart your computer also, your laptop also, and your printer also. Okay, and then you can print, and you can text print also. Click on it, and yeah, thank you.